ready to go history hunting? Okay, let's go. Buckle up.
My name is Leslie Smith, and I've been a member of the Chester Historical Society since 1988. We're here standing in front of the 1915 Erie Depot, or station, as a lot of people call it. Up until the train stopped coming in 1983, it was a functioning station, but it wasn't open. And it had been empty, probably vacant for maybe 30 years, and it was very heavily vandalized. In 1987, Conrail abandoned the main line, and the property was taken over by Orange County. Um, the Historical Society had their eye on this building for a while, and they wanted to get a hold of it and make it into a local history museum. They made a deal with the county. They were able to obtain a lease, a 99-year lease in 1990. And there were two driving forces behind the project. The project they called Operation Depot, and they enlisted the community and the Historical Society members on this project, and it was supported by practically everybody. We're standing in front of the Porte-Cochere, which is the area where carriages would disembark. Passengers would get out of their carriages or wagons and enter the station. Um, when the Porte-Cochere was originally constructed, it had this gorgeous stone flower box in front of it. And over the years, I don't know if it was the vandalism or deterioration or whatever, but a lot of it had fallen to pieces. So Loretta Winkler and Bernie Hom, who were the driving forces behind this project, decided that we needed to do something eye-catching so that the community that was supporting us would see progress here. And so what they decided was that they would take out the stones that were still remaining, level it, and they put in a flower box in the place of the original one that looked like a huge log. And throughout the restoration process, which lasted from 1990 until 1999, when the station opened as a museum, um, they planted this log flower box every year with attractive petunias, geraniums, or whatever, marigolds, and just so that everyone would see that, work was continuing, we were making it attractive. And so that's the way it went along while the station was being restored. After the station opened in 1999, and maybe even before that, the Historical Society was getting memorial contributions in honor of members that they wanted to honor. The trustees decided that a good and appropriate use of the memorial money would be to restore the flower box. We relied on the few photos of the flower box in our archives for guidance.
Beans, what's the matter? But there's a part 2. Okay.